Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get People Virtual Credit Card. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're wondering if you can actually get or still get the People Virtual Credit Cards inside the app or inside your People account, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, if you try accessing People here and look at the available options for us, well, as of right now, People actually discontinued what we call People Virtual Credit Cards. So, meaning if you're trying to generate one as of right now, past like April 30, 2026, well, the option for us is currently disabled. So, People has discontinued this due to a number of reasons. But as of right now, if you try accessing it in here, it may not be available, but it's not fully gone. In some cases, some accounts, and in some regions, you may still be able to generate one. So typically, you just need to go to your wallet in the app itself, and typically in here, you should be able to generate your own virtual credit card. But then again, this is subject to availability. It depends on what region your account is, and in this case, your eligibility. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.